नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं जय कुमार आईबीसी फ्रॉम बड़ा बिजनेस। आज आईबीसी से रिलेटेड आपकी जो भी क्वेरी होगी इस वीडियो में पूरी तरह से क्लियर हो जाएगी दोस्तों। तो आइए जानने के लिए देखिए आईबीसी फुल इंफॉर्मेशन वीडियो। इंडिपेंडेंट बिजनेस कंसल्टेंट ट्रेनिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, अंडरस्टैंड आईबीसी मॉडल, डिस्कवर एडवांटेजेस ऑफ बिकमिंग एन आईबीसी, अंडरस्टैंड कोड रिवर्सल एंड इंसेंटिव स्लैब, find answers to any queries around IBC model. IBC model. Let's cover the following: IBC model and terms of service, investment needed, code reversal, IBC product bundle, commission slabs. Who is an independent business consultant? An IBC is a person who works with Bada Business to sell its products and courses in the market for a certain amount of commission. List of products and courses: Business Coaching Program (BCP), Specialization Courses, Lifetime Membership, Independent Business Consultant (IBC), Case Study, Value Pack, White Labeling. Terms of Service for IBC. Onboarding of IBC. IBC starts operating when complete initial payment is deposited into Bada Business and invoice is generated. Onboarding includes: initial payment is received in full. This amount changes from time to time and is communicated in advance. Agreement with Bada Business. Email consent is obtained. Physical agreement is signed. Physical agreement signing is mandatory within 30 working days of onboarding process. Included in IBC 4.0: Digital Dukaan, Micro Website, Lifetime Learning Training, Digital Gallery, Marketing Collaterals, One App, Learning Sarthi, Consulting Sarthi, BCP Business Coaching Program, CMS Complaint Management System, IBC Manager, Channel Partner, Regional Manager, Regional Training Head, Zonal Manager Support, Career Growth, IBC, TMC, REC, Navratna. Activation of Payment Portal. Point of sale, lead entry and payment closure, accounts. Activation of Learning Management System, all product manuals, all marketing collaterals. Activation of Bada Business application gets activated upon download. Courses for IBC, Business Coaching Program, BCP, any other course offered from time to time. Activation of Complaint Management System, login complaints, suggestions, requests, online resolution status. Activation of Digital Dukaan. On website with on details, customer can register here, lead gets entered into payment portal, resolution status. Mapping of IBC to local branch. Mapping to local branch done on the basis of place of work of IBC. This is one after confirmation is taken from the IBC over telephone. Local branch can be a local channel partner in the territory or virtual branch office. Welcome mail. It is sent once all above technological platforms are enabled. Sent to registered email ID, login credentials and process to log into the above technological platforms. Channel partner, relationship manager, zonal manager and regional training head details contained in the mail in case the IBC is mapped to VBO. Welcome call. Done within 7 working days upon completion of steps from 1 to 6. Done by customer success team. Onboarding training within 7 working days upon completion of steps from 1 to 7. 6 days digital training, product, sales, process, all technological platforms as mentioned above. How to sell, consultative selling, lead management, digital marketing, etc. IBC life cycle process. Local branch support. In case of channel partner, facilitation of sales through marketing support, sales operational support like loan for customer, etc. Physical office infrastructure for customer meetings, sales meetings with potential customers, physical, digital. Local branch support in case of virtual branch office, facilitation of sales through marketing support, sales operational support like loan for customer, etc., sales meetings with potential customers, digital. Relationship manager, sales planning, operational support in sales process. Payment cycle, 4 times in a month, mandatory for IBC to submit PAN, GST, if applicable, bank account details. Invoice verification process through payment portal before payment. IBC policies, time to time, if there are any changes, it is communicated to IBCs. Zero tolerance policies, communicated from time to time. Investment required to become an IBC. IBC 4.0 investment, one-time payment, component amount, base price 67,500, GST 18%, 12,150, investment 79,650. IBC 4.0 investment for credit cases, component amount, base price 80,500, GST 18%, 14,590, total investment 94,990, minimum down payment 29,998, per month EMI per 6 months 10,832. Code reversal. Code reversal amount 53,500, worth digital product inventory, opportunity to recover initial investment. IBCs earn code reversal plus commission on the monthly revenue. Maximum code reversal amount INR 53,500. All digital product sales including IBC acquisition is considered for code reversal. Conditions: 25% of monthly commissionable sales revenue is considered for code reversal. To avail entire 53,500 code reversal in the same calendar month, minimum commissionable sales 2,14,000. Maximum 6 months are allowed for code reversal. Sample calculation available on slide 32 and 33. Code reversal example: 25% of monthly sales. Month product sold, revenue generated, code reversal amounts paid 25%, code reversal amount remaining. 21 October BCP 44,900, 11,225, 42,275. 21 November lifetime membership, revenue generated 72,000, code reversal amount paid 18,000, code reversal amount remaining 24,275. 21 December BCP student 24,900, 6,225, code reversal amount paid, code reversal amount remaining 18,050. Code reversal is 25% of the total revenue generated in a month. For example, a code reversal amount for October 21 will be 25% of total revenue, i.e. 25% of 44,900, 11,225. B code reversal amount for November 21 will be 25% of total revenue, is that 25% of 72,000, 18,000. Code reversal amount for December 21 will be 25% of total revenue, is that 25% of 24,900, 6,225. Total code reversal amount generated within 3 months, A plus B plus C, 35,450, amount in INR. Code reversal example: month product sold BCPE, quantity sold 2, commissionable revenue generated 89,800, code reversal 25%, 22,450. October 2021 IBC 1 sold 53,500, 13,375, code reversal. LTM 1 sold 72,000, commissionable revenue generated 18,000, code reversal amount. Payable code reversal amount 53,500. Code reversal is 25% of the total revenue generated in a month. For example, A total commissionable sales 2,15,300, B. Code reversal amount for 21 October will be 25% of total revenue is that 25% of 2,15,300. 53,300. Amount in INR maximum code reversal 53,500. IBC product bundle. IBC 4.0 bundle, BCP program, training, basic CRM, learning management system, only introductory videos of SC and lifetime membership LMS. Commission slabs. From 0 to 99,999, IBC commission 25%, 1 lakh to 1,99,999, 28% commission, 2 lakh to 2,99,999, 31% commission, 3 lakh to 3,99,999, 34 commission, 4 lakh to 4,99,999, 37% commission, 5 lakh and above, 40% commission. Till now, all IBCs onboarded before 1st October 2021 will receive commissions as per previous slabs. Start earning from your first sale. No capping of commission, earn as much as you can. Increase in commission percent at every slab. Opportunity to earn 40% commission on 5 lakh plus revenue. Let's look at the expected earning when you start selling. For making just 10 sales in a month. Product sold BCP, 3 quantities sold, commissionable sales value 44,900, total value 1,34,700. BCP student 5 sold, 24,900, 1,24,500 total revenue. LTM 2 sold, 72,000, 1,44,000, total quantity sold 10, 4,03,200. Commission at 37%, 1,49,184. Code reversal amount 53,500. Total earnings 2,02,684. On 20 sales in a month, product sold BCP, 5 quantity sold, commissionable sales value 44,900. Total revenue 2,24,500. BCP student 10 quantity sold, 24,900, 2,49,000. LTM 3 quantity sold, 72,000. Commissionable sales value 2,26,000. IBC 2 sale 53,500. 1,07,000 total revenue. Total quantity sold 8,06,500. Commission 840%, 3,22,600. Code reversal amount 53,500. Total earnings 3,76,100. Advantages of becoming IBC. Topics covered: IBC target customers, IBC 4.0 model advantages, how to sell IBC 4.0. IBC target customers: entrepreneurs, freelancers, working professionals, students, housewives. Advantages of becoming an IBC. Start your business with very low investment. No limit on your earning. Lifetime learning from Dr. Vivek Bindra and billionaire tycoons. Get access to BCP program worth 41,990. Create additional source of income. A business model which is growing even in recession. RIBCM, Growth Partners for IBCs. A dedicated regional IBC manager is assigned to a geography. RIBCM provides support, guidance and holds IBCs on a wide range of daily requirements, coaching and training on product, seminars, customer meetings, sales calls, I do UC, you do IC, lead funnel management, campaign support. Channel partner support for IBCs. All IBCs are also mapped to channel partners as per their location. CPs provide support, guidance as well as handholds IBCs on a wide range of daily requirements: office space, meeting room, conference room, help in closing sale, reward and recognition program, campaign support. Pitching IBC working professionals. Problem: huge investment required to start a business, insufficient money to support desired lifestyle, high qualification required to get good job, no job security, don't want to spend life working for someone else, no time for self or family, uncertainty in job due to corona. Solution: become an IBC with a one-time returnable investment that is easy on your pocket, no limit on your earning, no minimum qualification required to become an IBC. Work with a company that is growing at a rapid rate. Become your own boss and work independently. Work part-time or full-time as you please. Have a steady source of income. Pitching IBC entrepreneurs. Problem, solution. Problem: business is not doing well. Business has been shut down due to lockdown. Want to start a side business, not able to get adequate money due of COVID impact. Not starting my business operation due to fear of corona. Solution: become IBC and earn high incentives and further learn ways to grow your business. Start a new business by becoming an IBC. Become an IBC and work as a part-time consultant. Maximize your earning by earning incentives with every sale. Work from your home with full ease and manage IBC operations digitally. Pitching IBC students. Problem, solution. Problem: looking for a job, looking to start work, struggling to find a job, wants to start a business but facing difficulty in arrangement of funds, want to support family while studying, failure in getting a good job due to low qualification, want to learn more but can't afford university fees. Solution: get associated with Bada Business and start earning. Become an IBC with a one-time returnable investment that is easy on your pocket. Earn attractive incentives from every sale. No minimum qualification required to become an IBC. Learn best in class problem solving content from the best in the industry. Frequently asked questions. What's the commission amount CSV for closing an IBC 4.0 sale? 53,500 gets added to your revenue achievement. The payout will be basis your total achievement of a month. Refer to slide 38 for payout slips. Question: what is the code reversal amount in IBC 4.0 model? Answer: the maximum code reversal for IBC 4.0 is 53,500. Question: what is the maximum allowed duration to get code reversed? Answer: maximum allowed duration to get code reversed is 6 months. Question: what is the code reversal for an IBC 4.0 for their monthly sales? Answer: IBC 4.0 will get 25% of code reversed basis their monthly sales. Question: what is the price of IBC 4.0 for upfront payment? Answer: in this case the customer will have to pay 65,000 plus GST. What is the price of IBC 4.0 if a customer opts for the EMI plan? Answer: in this case customer will have to pay 78,000 plus GST. Question: what will be the maximum EMI tenor? Answer: maximum EMI tenor will be 6 months. Question: will IBC 4.0 get access to the BCP program? Answer: yes, IBC 4.0 will get access to the complete BCP program. How many BCP events can an IBC attend? Answer: IBC 4.0 will be allowed to attend 4 days event. थैंक यू दोस्तों, आशा है कि इस वीडियो में मैंने जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको आईबीसी मॉडल के बारे में दी आपको जरूर पसंद आई होगी। आपको बड़ा बिजनेस के किसी प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरी है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है तो आप मुझे मेरे नंबर पर डायल करके भी पूछ सकते हैं, और यदि जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो हमारे नंबर पर डायल करके आप हमसे आईबीसी के लिए जुड़ सकते हैं। दोस्तों, वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। तब तक के लिए मैं आपसे विदा लेता हूं। धन्यवाद।